In this video, we're going to see how we can remove an item from a list using Python. Now let's imagine that we have a company, and inside of my company I have 3 employees, Michael, Eric, and Michael. If I would like to remove someone from the company, and I don't know where they are inside of this data structure, I can use the remove method, which will test for equivalence against the objects inside of my container. So I can, for example, ask Python to remove Michael from my company. What we'll see when I look at the results of this operation is that only the very first Michael out of Michael, Eric, and Michael has been removed. If I'd like to remove all the Michaels from my company, I would need to repeat this operation. On the other hand, if I already know the position of the data that I'm trying to remove, I can use an operation that is much faster, and this is to use the del keyword in Python, where I'm deleting the data from my company data structure by position. So for example, if I wanted to remove the last Michael, I can remove the item in position -1, and when I look at my company now only consists of Eric.